This video demonstrates how to convert a household washing machine into a commercial one. The black box-shaped machine on the right is the Sintron ST-004. The ST-004 acts as a power provider for the washing machine, ensuring that it remains without power until payment is received. When you press the button in the center of the ST-004, a payment QR code will appear on the screen. Pick up your phone and scan the QR code on the ST-004 screen to start the payment process. There are multiple payment options available, and I chose Apple Pay. Once the payment is completed, you will see the ST-004 screen start counting down. At this point, you can operate the washing machine and notice that it is now powered on.